What's going on, traders? So in today's video, it is an update on our US30 prop firm bot. You guys can check out this video right here in which we did 457% growth rate in about 1.5 years. So now we are going to give you an update and show you guys how it's performed. And this is our main flagship EA. This is the first bot that all of our traders and our engineers have actually designed. And right now, I'm just going to jump right into it and give you guys a weekly update and show you guys exactly how you guys can pass any prop firm and be able to use it to make consistent payouts just by using this US30 prop firm bot. All right. So right now I'm on my MT5, and through the use of all of our prop firm automation and the payouts from our prop firms, you guys can see that we have over $500,000 in live capital. But in today's, so basically it has done 562% in growth rate in over 1.5 years. So instead of going through all of the history, I'm just going to give you the weekly update and show you guys how it's done in the past week. We did have a rough start with quite a few losses, but you guys can see the week. So on October 7th, it was basically a non-trading day. And then on the 8th, we had 2 wins, one for 4,000, one for 8,610. This is not an HFT bot. This US30 bot only trades during New York Open and only places 1 to 3 trades a day. So you are only risking between 0.5 and 1.5% a day, which is perfect for all prop firms which have a max daily loss limit. So there's no way by using this bot that you will hit the max daily drawdown because you will only be risking maximum to 1.5% a day. And that is the worst case scenario. So right now we have 200 lots. You guys can see that we have 200 lots, but that's because our account has grown so much. On the 200K account, you guys will realistically be using 50 lots. So if you guys use 50 lots, you'll be losing $1,000 per trade. Going over some of the trades, you guys can see October 9th, we had some wins, 2 wins again, so 4,000 and another 4,560. October 10th, we had a win of 4,760, and then we had a loss, 4,000, and then another loss of 4,000. And on this day, we actually lost 0.5%. October 11th was actually the worst case scenario, so I'm just going to show you guys. So on October 11th, you guys can see that it actually lost 3 trades in a row. So this is 200 lots. It actually lost 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. If this was an FTMO account and you guys used 50 lots, then you would have lost 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, risking 1.5% as the max drawdown per day. And then we had on October 14th, we had 3 winning trades. So 4,200, and then we had another winning trade of 8,960, and then another winning trade of 4,000. So we made back some of those losses from the previous day. And then on October 15th, we had a huge win of 24,000 because this is a risk to reward bot. And in just 1 week, you guys, just in 1 week, you guys can see in 1 week, we made a profit of $47,210. Now, if I go through the most famous prop firms right now with FTMO, this is a $200,000 account, and the profit target is on phase 1, we have a profit target of 10%, so $20,000. And then on phase 2, we have a profit target of $10,000, which is 5%. And the same thing goes with Funded Next. So here's another very popular prop firm with Funded Next. Here's a $200,000 account. Phase 1, we have a profit target of 10%. Phase 2, we have a profit target of 5%. Now, if I go through the numbers right now, this is actually just in 1 week. So we made $47,210. So if I go through it, $47,210. If I used 100 lots, then that means that it would have profited $23,605. If I used 50 lots, then I'm going to divide that by 2 again, and that would have been a profit of $11,802 in just 1 week, you guys, in just 1 week. So that means that if I take this average and times this by a month, just 4 weeks in a month, that comes out to $47,210, which exceeds the FTMO for step 1 and step 2. Same with Funded Next with phase 1 and phase 2. Now, does it mean that every single week it's going to be like this? It's not. on average, it would take about 2 to 3 weeks. It could even be 2 to 4 weeks to pass phase 1 and phase 2. But imagine you guys are going to be able to pass the challenge by using the US30 bot and also be able to use this US30 bot on your funded account and make consistent payouts. I'm going to go over to my social trader tool and show you guys 562% in profit. If I go through the entire history, you guys are going to be able to see the entire history right now. We have $662,000, $562,172 in profit, just like my social trader tool. We have been running our flagship bot from February 16, 2023 until now, which is actually October 15, 2024, for a growth rate of 562%. So imagine if you guys were able to run this bot and consistently make payouts from these prop firms. And once you guys are able to do that, then you guys will be able to put your money into live capital, just like I have done, and put it into live capital and run the other bots, just like our gold bot and our Forex bot onto these accounts. So this is the strategy that we have actually used. This is the strategy that I have used to quit my 9 to 5 and be able to have the freedom with our automated trading software.